Lisha from Hardbo's Makeup. She's making her video debut here officially on my channel. So just join me in welcoming Lisha.
Oh, thank you. Hi.
So the gifting and festive season is officially upon us right now, and since me and Lisha have been friends for so long now, almost 4 years.
Yeah.
I think 4+ years.
We've been friends ever since I started vlogging.
Yeah.
And she was one person I connected instantly with. Maybe it's like the Scorpio thing. We get along so well, and that's one friendship that lasted so long.
Touch wood.
Yeah.
Our birthdays are also coming, and since the festive season is also here, we decided, like every year, to gift each other
And pamper each other.
Yeah, because
That's what we do every year.
every year, ever since we've known each other. So this year, since it's Diwali, Diwali is also around the corner, both of us decided that we'll pick up a gift for each other. And coincidentally, both of us like The Body Shop a lot. Both of us are diehard fans of The Body Shop, and The Body Shop does have some really nice offers and Diwali gifting hampers and all that stuff in their stores right now. So we decided to just swap gifts from The Body Shop.
Yeah, and that's basically one brand that personally I love, and I know she really loves the skincare range and the body care range.
Yeah.
So we were very excited to go to The Body Shop. Now we don't know what she picked for me, and she doesn't know what I picked for her. So this was very interesting, and I'm a little nervous if she likes it or not, because I got something very different for her from what she would expect to get. Yeah. So let's just see how
I
it
got to
goes.
do something really safe.
Oh.
I know you're going to like it.
Okay.
I'm playing it safe.
I'm so excited.
She took a little bit of a risk.
Yeah.
Let's see how this goes. We are both really excited to know what's in there in our bags from The Body Shop. Okay, so we are officially exchanging the bags for the first time now. There we go. Thank you.
Thanks.
So I've already taken out my gift set, and this is so cute, but I can't really. Okay.
It has a
Nice,
bow.
interesting. Yeah, it has a bow.
I have a bow, so obviously I'm gonna love it.
Alright, so let's just go ahead and unbox yours first.
Okay.
I just saw it.
And it has a collar as well, which is my side's theme.
Yeah.
All color in white.
So these are basically the new gift hampers available at The Body Shop for Diwali gifting.
Wow!
And
It looks really nice.
yeah, I love the packaging.
Japanese cherry blossom is like my favorite variant from TVS. Yes.
So I picked up the Japanese cherry blossom range for Lisha because I know she's very bubbly. She likes fruity, floral, very girly, very uber feminine kind of fragrances and products. And I thought this was the best match for her, considering how much I understand her from over the years. So yeah,
And I think you were bang on. Like I said before, Japanese cherry blossom is my favorite variant, and I love using it. I have never tried their body mist or their shower gel. I have tried the body butters, and that's what I use. So I'm really happy that you got me this.
yay!
It's something
Successful.
something I'm going to use every day, I know now. And I love the whole packaging. I mean, any girl who receives this will be so happy. It has a bow and a magnetic clasp. What else do you need?
And you can also, I think, reuse the packaging
Yes.
once.
To store maybe jewelry or perfumes, anything, you could DIY it in so many ways. And I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for getting this for me. So when I went to the TVS store, I looked at all the gift sets. Now she is someone who loves her musky fragrances and perfumes.
I am a total musk girl.
Yeah, she doesn't really love, floral fragrances or be it fruity. But I came across this English Gardenia gift set. As soon as I tried it on, it is floral. It's a very light, pleasant scent. Something I think you might like because it's very pleasant. It has this hint of musk.
I've tried it.
You tried it?
Yeah, and I like it.
I think you're gonna like it. I'm a little nervous because I know she does not like floral fragrances.
No, but
So
it's
this
good
is going to be interesting.
sometimes go out of your comfort zone because I've already tried all the musk ranges from The Body Shop. I'm sure
Yeah, I know you have the white mask and the black mask,
Yeah.
which you used in Manali very often.
Yeah. I got the English
English
Dawn
Gardenia.
Gardenia set, and yeah, I've been wanting to try this out for a really long time.
So
Let me just try this on again on camera because it's been long since I tried it. But
and I'm very excited for this part to see how much she likes it. She's supposed to like it.
wow.
Do you like it?
I really like it. Genuinely like it.
Oh my god, I was so relieved. So when I was at the store looking for options for her, because I like this range so much, I even got a mini in this.
Okay.
So there are a couple of sizes available in each gift set. This is the medium.
Okay.
So it has
4 products in it.
Yeah.
And I think that there's a small.
This one has 2 products. So this is something I got for another friend of mine. So this has 2 products. One is the EDT and the other is the body mist, I guess. And I think again, so you know, you have many options when you're going to the store, be it, and according to your budget, you can get anything.
I think the gift ranges start from rupees 875
Yes.
for those cute little gift cubes, which I really like.
Yeah.
And they go up to 6 or 7k, depending on whatever your budget is. You can pick up products for your loved ones.
Exactly.
Another good thing about the Body Shop gifting range this year is that you can create your own gift sets. You can custom create gifts using products available in the store. They have some really nice offers, like if you pick up 4 products from the store, you get around 20% off. Just check with the store for the great offers.
And on makeup as well, so you can customize some gift sets with makeup and a bit with skincare.
I'm so glad I got this one because I've been wanting to try this for so long now, ever since I tried it at the store.
Yeah,
long back.
I'm so happy.
Somehow I did not pick it up because I thought I was in 2 minds, but now that I have it, I really like it.
I am so happy to hear that. And I'm so glad we got to do this with TVS because it's a brand we both love and promote a lot on our websites because we really do like the products.
Genuinely like the products.
Yes, when we're not paid to say that.
From the both of us, we highly recommend that you try out the Body Shop for your Diwali and festive gifting this season.
Yeah, you have lots of options to choose from, even if you want a smaller sizes or something like really big to pamper.
Or a custom made gift hamper for your loved one.
Personally, my birthday is coming up, so if any of my friends are watching, I would love more.
And there are so many gift options available for men too. Like
I
haven't picked up anything, but there are a lot of options for the guys that you want to gift to, or if the guys want to buy something for themselves, go ahead because I think this is a nice way of trying a range of products at a good discount also. So that was it about our gift boxes that we selected for each other, and it's really heartwarming to know that both of us like what we picked up for each other.
Relieved and happy.
I know. Lisha's blog and all her social media links are also going to be in the description box down below, so make sure you subscribe to her social media channels and give this video a big thumbs up if you want her to start her video channel.
Oh yes.
We really need that. And all product links, description, everything, prices will be in the description box down below. Make sure you check out the description box for that too. Hope you guys have a safe and a prosperous and an eco-friendly Diwali. Try not to burst crackers because that creates a lot of pollution, which is not good for any of us. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope you guys enjoyed having Lisha over as much as I did.
Thanks for having me over. I'm so excited.
Do subscribe to my channel for more. Do give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Shooting without AC, we like.
Yes. Hope you guys have a safe. Officially my turn now. And
this is my box.
Oh, okay. And both of us wish you a very happy Diwali.
Oh god, you'll have bloopers in the for the end of the video.